Welcome to Who Digs. Today we're going to look at how to pack away your Bestway Fast set pool for the winter. After blocking the tubes off on the pool, we're going to look at emptying the pump and the filter and give those a good clean. I'm going to give this filter a good clean, and we'll probably use it for a little bit next year, but it's probably best to buy a new one. They're not very expensive, they can be picked up on Amazon or eBay. Once the pump's drained, I allow it to dry naturally. After giving the filter a good squirt with a high pressure hose, allow it to dry. And here we have a nice clean filter. Now it's time to empty the pool. If you pull the plugs out, this will allow some of the water to drain out, but what I find really helpful is if you go around to the side where you want your water to drain, push on the side of the pool and allow all the water just to flow over the top, just like this. Just a little warning, be prepared to get very wet feet. Once you get down to a level of about an inch, you're able to lift the pool up to tip the rest of the water out of the side of the pool. Then it's time to give the pool a good clean with a mop. I use this mop for cleaning my pool during the summer. I bought it for about £2.50 from Tesco's. Once you've given it a clean, it's time to dry it off. I use a tea towel just to get rid of the excess water. Now it's time to use my secret weapon. Just be careful if you're using one of these. I got mine a little bit too close to the pool and almost burnt a hole in the side of the pool, but it got rid of most of the excess water. Now it's time to get rid of any excess air in the top tube. Now it's time to fold the pool up. I fold the bits closest to me and furthest away from me short, and then the two long sides into the middle. Always aiming to roll the pool towards the air filter on the top ring. Fold it in half, fold it again and then again. Then roll the pool towards the air filter and remove any air at the far end. And here it is, fully rolled up. As you can see, I've just about got everything back in the box. I hope this video was helpful. Please subscribe and follow my other videos on how to set up the pool and how to clean the pool. Thanks for watching. Bye.